So you've received this cardboard box and you'd like to make it into a fabric wall. It's really easy. This video will just help you along the way, but I'm sure you can work it out. It comes really well packaged, and you would have seen there it comes in a nice carry bag. The first time it's all plastic wrap, so it takes a little bit longer. It's a bit of a tent pole system, and I'm sure you would have seen before. The idea is you join matching pairs of symbols together and you pretty much can't go wrong. For the feet, comes with these screws, which they only go in one way around so that they sit nice and flush. So these are your corner elbows. Same story. They just go into the tent poles, matching up the pairs of symbols. So there you go, it just shows the matching symbols all the way around. So this particular frame is portrait orientation. So you've got at the top, you've got the black plastic caps. At the bottom, holes where the feet slide in. Okay, now what you're seeing here is me pondering this remaining piece. This was our mistake. This is not needed for this size frame. It's an additional brace for a wider wall, so apologies for that, you don't need it. Okay, here we are, we've got it on the floor. Now we're putting the sock over the top. It fits really well. It's tight, but it's got a lot of stretch in it. It's quite easy to apply. The only thing, the zip at the bottom, I found I had to lay it down to get the zip together, but I did it on my own. Once you get it moving, it's pretty straightforward. And here we go. This is our wall. This is what it should look like. It's nice and stable. I think the print looks great. There she is. Any problems, give us a call.